Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing some spring cleaning, decorating, and refreshing. I have lots of stuff to share with you. We are going to make our homes beautiful, clean, and fresh. I want to thank JCPenney for sponsoring this video. They have everything you need to refresh your home for spring and some very cute decor. You will see some of it in this video, like this really cute bunny wreath. I'll have everything from JCPenney linked in my description box below. To kick off my spring cleaning, I wiped down my doors and added this really cute wreath. It's such great quality. I love the colors. I think it's perfect for spring. And like I said, I'll have it linked in the description box below. JCPenney is having a home sale right now through March 25th, so be sure to check out JCPenney for everything you need. It was actually warm enough to wipe down the outside of the doors without anything freezing. We live in Michigan and we still get snow in April sometimes. So while it's warm, while I did this video, I'm preparing myself that it might not last, although I would love it if it did. So I just wanted to get out there while I could and wipe down the doors. It was also a great time to shake up my rug and sweep the porch. I wash my wood floors once a week, but I usually don't pull up the rugs and wash underneath, and I really needed to do that. And spring is the perfect time to really get in your entryway and clean, especially if you live in an area with snow and wet and mud coming in. It's a great time to really clean. You can see all the stuff coming off of the rug liner, and it really just needed to be swept first. Usually I just dust it with a duster and then mop it, but there was so much stuff I needed to both sweep it and use the dust mop. I love how everything looks and feels after a good spring cleaning. And you guys know that I do zone cleaning, so I do hit a lot of things when I do zone cleaning, but there are some things that I really need to do at the beginning of spring, and it feels so good. Spring is the perfect time to change out your bedding. Maybe you want something a little lighter, maybe some brighter, fresher colors, and maybe you just need to replace what you already have on your bed. I got this bedding set from JCPenney. I'll link it below. John even noticed, he's like, wow, that is really nice. And it is. I love the bright white. It has this beautiful coverlet and the 2 pillow shams. And I think having fresh bedding in the spring is just so nice. I love getting into bed when all the sheets are clean and have fresh new bedding. It feels really great. This bedding set is such great quality. I wanted to give you a closer look. I also got a new bed skirt. Bed skirts are things that we often overlook, and over time they can get kind of dingy looking. Mine really needed to be replaced even though I had washed it, and this one is really nice. It's great quality. One thing I have to say that I love about JCPenney Bedding, my boys have JCPenney Bedding, we have sheets. This set is from JCPenney, is that everything always fits my mattress perfectly. So the bed skirt is long enough, the comforters are always long enough on each side, this coverlet is long enough on each side, the sheets fit really well. So I just wanted to share that because I know it can be hard to find things that fit your mattress properly, and I've always had a great experience with JCPenney Bedding. Now we're in the living room, and I really need to wash my throw blankets. As you guys know, I've been sick for a while, and I really needed to wash these, so I'm going to throw them in the wash. Of course, anything you have, you just want to make sure that it's not dry clean only. I love having things that I can just throw in the wash, so mine are all washable, thankfully. I got these adorable salt and pepper shakers from JCPenney. I'll link them below. I think they're so cute. I love bunnies. We have bunnies that live in our yard, and I see them almost every day. They do hide out a little in the winter, but I did see them recently, and they're so cute. And last year, I think it was, one of them had babies, and they were so adorable. So I really love bunnies, and I think these are adorable to add to my spring decor on my dining room table. Now we're in my kitchen. I'm adding this gorgeous wreath to my pantry door. I love the colors. You guys know that I painted my island blue before we moved in, so I love the touch of blue in this wreath, and I love the pink and the yellow, and tulips are always gorgeous for spring. I also got this dish. It's for candy, or I'm sure you could put other things in it, but it's so well made. It's the perfect size and such a pretty piece to have in my kitchen. I am all ready for spring. I love to have just the perfect amount of spring decor. I love how it feels to have everything fresh and clean. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out JCPenney for all the things you need to refresh your home for spring and decorate as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day.